Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. This is known as San Diego's greatly desired secret for art lovers. Located in Balboa Park, this old-fashioned building and colorful courtyard were originally built in 1935. They depicted a charming old village in Spain. Welcome to Spanish Village Art Center, San Diego. Today, the village continues to be a thriving community of over 200 local artisans who share their talent with you. There are 37 working studios, galleries, which host over 200 independently juried local painters, jewelry designers, clay artists, printmakers, and many more arts. Admission is free for all these studios and galleries. Normally you will see lot of activities here, but unfortunately by the time I went there it was closed. The village was established in the late 1930s and all the buildings are the original buildings with the exception of a new coat of paint. The artists that work here today are not allowed to change anything to the exterior to preserve the amazing historic site. Now it totally makes sense to me why the buildings were so small and vintage looking. Each studio is manned by an artist, and they are at their best in explaining their creation, which are all unique, handmade, original artwork of all kinds in all mediums. This is the biggest art colony in San Diego. A real plus is that you can purchase all of these museum quality fine art and contemporary American crafts at reasonable prices because you are buying directly from the artist. So there is no middleman and you can interact with the artist at work in the individual studios. It is a beautiful way to spend the day discovering beautiful Balboa Park. Don't miss the art festival and pictures with Santa for Balboa Park's December night. This event will be held on the first Friday and Saturday of every December. You can also take a patio rentals for weddings, parties and corporate events. So if you are going to San Diego or Balboa Park, don't miss this arts village. It's really worth to go and spend some time there. I hope you all liked my video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching.